So all evidence of the Sarasvati River was just nonsense, because the hymns of the Rig Veda were written on the banks of the Sarasvati a lot more than 5,000 years ago. And a few decades ago, a couple of cities were dug up, Harappa and Mohenjo-daro in India, and they had been exposed somewhat previously, but they seemed like such modern cities that they weren't considered archaeological finds, but it turns out they were. And then a satellite took infrared pictures and could see the entire Sarasvati River, which spreads throughout India and encompasses 5 of the great rivers that are still in existence. And the parts of the Sarasvati that aren't there anymore, it's proven through carbon dating that they dried up 7,500 years ago. And since then, they've discovered more than 2,000 more cities on the banks of what was the Sarasvati River. And they all had this exact same architecture, and they had city water supply and city sewage, and every 5 years the cities were raised up another inch or so that the gravity flow of sewage would still work. So this is called the Song of the Holy River. By the banks of the Sarasvati, about 10,000 years ago, from the flowing of her peaceful waters, come the sacred thoughts we seek to know. Harmony, inspiration, learning, quiet mind, and an end to yearning. Coursing through our troubled times are turning, setting free the tangled lines. All the waters of the earth connecting, bodies, streams, rivers, lakes, and seas, as our fingers set the strings vibrating, as our tongues bespeak the ancient rhymes. Common threads bind all things together, silken strands of golden sheen. Stars to stars through empty space are tethered. Common threads connecting you and me.